name's Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular video shows you how to work the Blip-Free right-leaning single decrease with setup in inverted double knitted brioche. I'm talking about inverted double knitted brioche because I'm working where I'm creating the knit stitches with my pearl coloured yarn and the pearl stitches with my knit coloured yarn, and it's a decrease with setup because I've already worked this setup in the previous row around, and I've worked back to the point where I've got my two adjacent knit stitches sitting under one shared yarn over, followed by my two adjacent pearl stitches sitting under their shared yarn over as well. Already working in inverted double knitted brioche, I've got both of my yarns over the top of the right needle sitting at the back of the work. Here's how it's done. Using my pearl coloured yarn, knit the two adjacent knit stitches with their shared yarn over together. It's nice and simple. Bring both the yarns to the front of the work, coming between the two needles. Keeping my knit coloured yarn at the front of the work, take the pearl coloured yarn to the back, going over the top of the right needle. Slip one stitch with the shared yarn over, this is step 4, knitwise from the left needle to the right. So one stitch with the yarn over like that. Then slip just the shared yarn over without any stitches, also knitwise, back from the right needle to the left. That means bringing the tip of the left needle in front of that yarn over, going through like that and slipping it over to the left needle like so. Then step 6, slip the next stitch with the shared yarn over, again knitwise from the left needle to the right, slipping it over like that. Step 7, slip both stitches with the shared yarn over together and purlwise from the right needle to the left. So that's all 3 of those strands coming over there, making sure I keep that pearl coloured yarn over in place over the top of the right needle. Now, using my knit coloured yarn, which is still at the front of the work, purl the 2 adjacent pearl stitches with their shared yarn over together through the back legs, which means taking the tip of the right needle round behind all 3, coming in towards me through all 3 like that, and then purling them together with my knit coloured yarn. And finally finish everything off by taking my knit coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle. It's important to make sure that that pearl coloured yarn over stays in place as you do all of that. And there we have, it's perfect Blip-Free right leaning single decrease on the front of the work there. Turning it over, and it's a left leaning decrease, again Blip-Free on the back. And that's all there is to it. That's how to work the Blip-Free right leaning single decrease with setup in inverted double knitted brioche. Zip!